Now this is interesting. So Honeywell is going wireless. Very good. Oh, hi my viewers. How are you today? I was just noticing here in the front page of today's AC, this is a newspaper that AC and refrigeration techs usually like to read. Kind of gives you an idea of what's happening in the industry. And if you look here in the front page, it says Honeywell unveils first reliable wireless platform engineered specifically for HVAC. Today I want to tell you about Honeywell's WOW Road Tour. What does WOW mean? It means World of Wireless. That's right, Honeywell is going wireless. The WOW Road Tour is going to take place in 60 different cities throughout the US and Canada. I'm going to attend the one in Tampa, Florida on September 29th. I look forward to seeing it. The marketing director at Honeywell told me that I can look forward to seeing myself there as well, because they're using my HVAC tutorial thermostats video. If you look here on my YouTube page, you'll see on my top 9 I have that video listed right here. I'm not touching my screen, by the way. You can check out more information on the WOW Road Tour at Honeywell's website, www.forwardthinking.honeywell.com. I'll put it right here. If you scroll down the page a bit, you'll see right here where they're talking about their WOW Tour, which is the World of Wireless Tour. By clicking where it says full schedule, it'll show you where in the 60 cities throughout the US and Canada that they are having their WOW Tour. I had some comments in my truck tour video in regards to where is your refrigerant scale and things like that. Here is my refrigerant scale. I had a hiding, okay, you see, just to let you know, I have one. And also, this is my sniffer, see, my refrigerant leak detector. Comes in handy a lot. By the way, I could use another hat. This one is starting to get a little wore out. I wear it quite often. And all the other guys at work are pretty darn jealous that I got a Honeywell hat. Seriously.